Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. Your laptop or desktop computer RAM is very low. No worries. In this tutorial, let me show you how to increase RAM on laptop or desktop computers, and how you can extend your RAM for the better performance by increasing the virtual memory. For that, just right-click on this PC, click on Properties. This will open System About window. Here, under Device Specification, you can see that the installed RAM is only 4 GB on this computer. This 4 GB RAM not enough to run the system smoothly, and this will definitely make your system to slow performance. So here, for adding more virtual memory, just scroll down and click Advanced System Settings. This will open System Properties window. Here under Performance, click on Settings. This will open Performance Options window. Here below, click Advanced tab. Here below, you can see that virtual memory, and it says that a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. That means when physical RAM is full, Windows moves less used data to this paging file, preventing system crashes during heavy workloads and to get better performance. So here, click on Change. This will open Virtual Memory window. Here the option Automatically Manage Paging File Size of all drives automatically checked. So just uncheck this option, select the drive, then click on Custom Size, and then you will be getting 2 boxes here, Initial Size and Maximum Size. Now, this is the most important part where you have to enter right value in the initial and maximum size. I made a note here that can make easier to understand. Now, here it says the initial size, RAM multiply with 1.5, maximum size, RAM multiply with 3. So here, in the initial size box, the value should be RAM size into 1.5, and maximum size box, the value should be RAM size into 3. Here, you have to convert RAM size into MB. For that, multiply RAM size with 1024. Here I mentioned all the RAM sizes for easy understanding. So here, my case, the RAM size is 4 GB only, so I have to calculate like this. So let me quickly open Calculator. Okay, now here I will multiply 4 times 1024. Now multiply this, 4096, times 1.5. Now we got 6144. Enter this value on the initial value field. Now, same way, you have to calculate maximum size also. Multiply 4 times 1024. Now multiply this, 4096, times 3. Now we got 12,288. Enter this value on the maximum value field. You can choose your own RAM size calculations from here. Now click on Set, then click on OK. Again, click on OK, and click on OK. Now you have to restart your PC once. OK, now system is restarted, and let's check the changes affected or not. Now you can see that the changed values are here. Now let's check where we can find the virtual memory details. For that, click on Windows plus R key together. Here type MS-Info32, hit Enter. This will open System Information window. Here you can find installed RAM, total physical memory, available physical memory, total virtual memory, available virtual memory, page file space. And now you will find that your system RAM has been increased, and even the performance will be boosted. That's all, guys. If this video helped, hit like and share and subscribe for more.